Hello, everybody. We're from ING Bank in Poland. I'm Oscar, and together with Eva, we're going to show you our digital account opening process for businesses. We'll show you that for us, innovation is not art for art's sake, but has real positive effects, both for our clients and for our bank.
Now, opening an account for a retail client is easy, at the branch, online, whenever and wherever they want. But businesses are more complicated. Tax ID numbers, registration, representation documents, and so on. And banks require all these documents in paper when opening an account.
Company representatives spend a lot of time and effort gathering all these documents. Instead of focusing on their businesses, they're running from one government office to another, collecting all this paper. When they have all this paper, they need to take it to their bank branch. And they're not leaving the bank with an open account either. The bank is going to need 2 days or so to enter the data into their system and finally open an account.
But that's not the case at ING. We decided to treat businesses like retail clients, saving their time and letting them focus on doing their business. The opening of an online account at ING will take only a few minutes, and we'll manage to do it before we get off stage today.
So, let's say I'm the authorized representative of a company called Med Innovation. All I need to get started is my personal ID and my company's tax ID number. I go to the bank's website to enter the data. Step 1, only very basic information. My name, my email address, my telephone number. I'm also going to enter my personal ID card number. At the next stage, ING is going to check whether my personal ID is linked with my company's tax ID and ensure that I really am an authorized representative of the company.
Oscar's ID number also allows us to verify whether he's our retail banking client and whether we can use some of his data at the next stages of the process.
Step 2, here I enter my company's tax ID. And voila, ING has sourced all of the relevant and necessary information about my company from official online registries. There is absolutely no need for paper. I confirm that the data is correct, and I tick a few boxes to show that I don't avoid paying taxes, FATCA, tax residence information, things like that. Step 3, now I need to get my personal ID card. As you can see, ING has filled in some of the fields based on previous stages. So what do I need to put in? Well, my card issuance date, and I need to put in my mother's maiden name and the card number. And then finally, I put in my address. My address, why the heck would I put in my address if this is an online process? No worries. I know that ING is going to send me a complimentary present or gift by the mail. Remember, no paper.
Finally, to avoid fraud, we check in external ID databases whether Oscar's ID actually exists and whether it hasn't been lost, stolen, or canceled.
I'd also like a debit card with my account, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to make a final check of the data to be sure it's all correct, because I'm going to need it in a moment. It looks good, so I click to accept and submit the application.
That was easy. Now the client receives a text message with the login to ING Business, our internet banking system for businesses, and an email with the password and further instructions.
Got it. It's all here. So I go to the business banking website and I enter the login I received. And the password. And here it is, my account opening agreement together with my account number. That was pretty easy. I verify that everything's okay. It looks good. I'm going to confirm that it's correct, and I click the button to sign and submit. Done. Now that took me what? 3 minutes? No paper, no pen, no trouble, no hassles. There have been a lot of complicated database operations going on in the background while I did this, things like know your customer processes, but the view to the customer is one of speed, ease, and simplicity, and that is the whole point.
Now, we took care of all the formalities within a few minutes. ING is the only bank in Poland which offers a completely online account opening process for businesses. And more than 1/3 of our new clients have opened an account this way since last year. We respect our clients' time, and we respect our own time, too. As the process is completely automatic, we don't type in any company data, and this saves us time and money.
What's more, ING is teaching its clients the advantages of doing their business banking online right from the very beginning of the relationship.
And also, this product fits perfectly into our wide range of online solutions for businesses, such as, for example, the mobile banking application, accounting services, and also the loan requesting application.
We hope we've proven to you that a bank like ING can be just as nimble and innovative as any fintech company. We hope you liked our demo. If so, please vote for us. If you have any questions, please visit us at our stand. We'll answer any questions you have.
We'd also like to use this opportunity to share our experience with companies working on similar solutions. Thank you, Oscar.
Thank you, Eva, and thank you, Finovate New York.